If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making Marichi Ladoo. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some cumin seeds and black pepper in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then 3/4 cup of wheat flour or atta, a teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, a quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, a teaspoon of fennel seeds or soft, and about quarter teaspoon of salt. Now in a pan, first add all the ghee over medium flame, followed by add all these ingredients: the atta, salt, hing, fennel seeds, pan madhuri, ajwain, and the powder. Now combine these really well, and we need to roast this on medium flame for roughly about 7-8 minutes, or until it gets a light golden color. Then switch off the flame and transfer this into a bowl. And while it's still warm, take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball, and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Marichi Ladoo. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.